Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to use recycler view in Sketchware to display a horizontal list. So let's move to Sketchware. In Sketchware we have to first switch on app compat and design in our project, enable app compat and design. After this add a linear horizontal, here this linear is linear 2. Now after this go to image manager and here add images. Now here I have added 12 images, IC underscore image underscore 1 to IC underscore image underscore 12. Now after this just go to more blocks and here we have to create two more blocks. One of them is more block extra. In this more block we have this closing curly bracket in the beginning and opening curly bracket in the end. This means that whatever code we add is outside the more block, it is not part of the more block. So when we use the more block extra, it will do nothing because it is empty. Now this is the code which we have to put in the first more block. I'll just show you this code in larger font. This is the code. Here we define a class called myImage, and this class contains a string variable called mTitle and an int called mImage. I have put int here because the id of the images is an int variable. So when we write id of the image like r dot drawable dot ic underscore image underscore 1, so this thing is an int, that's why here I have written int. So here I define a string mTitle and an int mImage. Then I have this constructor for this class myImage. The constructor takes a variable string variable and an int variable. The string variable here is title and int is image id, and here I set this mTitle to the title in this constructor, and I set mImage to the image id which we put here. So this code can be used for constructing myImage, and whatever title we put here will be this title in this class, and the image id which we put here will be this image id. Then it contains these two methods. First one is a string method called getTitle, which can be used to get the title. It returns mTitle, which we defined here, and mTitle is already equal to this title. So when we use getTitle, it will give us the title, and when we use getImage, it will give us the image id, which is this one. This mImage is set to image id, which we have used in constructor, so it will return the image id. And that's all in this class myImage. Okay, after this we go to onCreate and we create a list. I'll just show you this list. This will be a list of myImage. So here I have defined an array list myImage called myList. This is equal to new array list myImage. So this will be a list of class myImage which I just defined and showed you. Now in this myList we add items. So in myList is a list of myImage, so in this we can add many myImages. So I add new myImage and I use the constructor which contains a string comma integer int. So here I write new myImage image 1, this is the string comma the int resource of the image, which is r.drawable.ic image1. In this way I add items to this my list. At each position it contains the string and the image ID. So one by one I add items, and in total I have added 12 items in this list. Now after this I have defined a recycler view. For defining the recycler view, we have to write it as androidx.recyclerview.widget.recyclerview. Then this is the name of the recycler view. This is equal to new androidx.recyclerview.widget.recyclerview. This here, this means the context. So this code will define recycler view. Now after this we have to define an adapter for this recycler view. So for that I have defined a more block called adapter, and here also I have put closing curly bracket in the beginning and opening curly bracket in the end, so that the adapter which I define is outside the more block. So I'll just show you this adapter. This is the adapter. The name of this adapter is category list adapter. It is a class which is a kind of recycler view dot adapter. So category list adapter is name of this class, and this contains a constructor which is category list adapter, and it contains a variable array list my image and context. So when we have to create a category list adapter, we have to first add a array list called my image, and I just created an array list my image called my list. So here we'll add my list, and here we'll add context. I'll just show you how I used it in Sketchware. In onCreate, after defining the recycler view, I defined category list adapter called adapter1 by writing new category list adapter my list, which is array list my image, comma the context, which is get application context. So this thing is the constructor. In this I set this list which we have entered to the map list, which is an array list my image, and I set this context to the context. Now after this the next method is onCreateViewHolder. OnCreateViewHolder method, here we get the view from the custom view. So our custom view is custom underscore item. In Sketchware we have to create a custom view for showing the items in the list. So here I have created a custom view custom underscore item dot xml, and in this I have added a linear 1, then I have added C image view 1 and C text view 1. So this is custom underscore item, and this I have used in this adapter in this onCreateViewHolder method. So in onCreateViewHolder we define a view using the layout inflator. We use layout inflator to inflate the r.layout.custom underscore item, and this will give us the view, and we return this view as a view holder. Return new category list adapter dot my view holder view. So onCreateViewHolder will give us this view of custom view as a view holder. The next method is onBindViewHolder. Here onBindViewHolder here we get the items of the custom view and set their text or image, or we set on click listener on them. So like here you can see that here I get the here I set the text of this text view in custom view, and here I set image, but this I will show you later. First I will show you this class. Here I have defined a class called my view holder, and in this class we have to define the items in the custom view. So my custom view contains a linear layout, then it contains image view and text view. So here I have declared a linear layout linear 1, text view text, and image view image view img. So this class my view holder contains a method my view holder with view item view. So this item view is the view holder which we have already set. Now we get from this view holder we find view by id r.id.linear1, and that is set as our linear layout linear 1. Then we define the text view text. This is item view dot find view by id r.id.see text view 1, and then we define the image view img. This is equal to item view dot find view by id r.id.see image view 1. So in this way we get the linear 1 text and img of this my view holder. Now in this method on bind view holder you can see that it contains this my view holder variable called my view holder, and from this my view holder we get the text, and we can get the linear 1, and we can also get the image img. So first I get the from my view holder I get linear 1, and from this linear 1 I get parent of this linear 1 which is a linear layout. So by using this code I will get the parent of this linear 1, and for that parent I set the layout params to the layout params of linear 1, which is my view holder dot linear 1 dot get layout params. So this will give me the layout params of linear 1, means the width and height of linear 1, and this is the parent of linear 1 which is also a linear layout, and for this linear layout I set the layout params as the layout params of linear 1, which is wrap content, width wrap content and height wrap content. Now after this from my view holder I get the text view which is text, and for this I set the text to map list dot get I dot get title. Here this map list is the array list my image map list, which is set to the list which we have entered in this constructor of category list adapter. So this will be the my list which we have created. So here from this map list I get I is the position dot get title. Here get title is the method which we used while defining my image class. Similarly for the image view in my view holder I set the image resource to map list dot get I dot get image, and then I have set on click listener for linear 1 of my view holder by writing my view holder dot linear 1 dot set on click listener new view dot on click listener at override public void on click. This is on click listener, and when linear 1 is clicked I show a message map list dot get I dot get title. So whatever the title is I show it as message. Then it contains another method called public int get item count, which returns map list.size, means the number of items in the list. And that's all. My view holder class I have already shown you. So all these are contents of this adapter, and this I have put in a more block. Now in on create, I create adapter called category list adapter. This is the code. I create a category list adapter called adapter1 by writing new category list adapter my list comma get application context. Then for the recycler view, I set layout manager. I set layout manager to new android x dot recycler view dot widget dot linear layout manager get application context comma linear layout manager dot horizontal. We can change it to vertical if you want a vertical list. You can change it to vertical or horizontal. Comma false. Okay, and after this I set this adapter1 as adapter of recycler view by writing recycler view dot set adapter adapter1, and in the end I add recycler view to linear 2. Here this in main.xml, this is linear 2, and to this I add the recycler view by writing linear 2 dot add view recycler view, and that's all is required. The result you have already seen. It will give us a horizontal list like this. If you have to make it vertical, you can just change it here from horizontal to vertical. So here is the vertical list using recycler view. That's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.